just a little sneak peek, okay, before I show you how I achieved this look. Okay, hey, it's time to slay. 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and a curved part, okay? I believe there's 2 inches of styling space, so yeah. Okay, so I'm going in per usual, and I'm removing the lace, as I always do. And y'all ladies already know why I use, not the scissors, but why I use my, eyebrow archer to cut away the lace. It gives me a jagged edge. Okay, all right. Now I decided to do something a little festive. Okay, so this wig had a lot of baby hair to work with. Some of it I had to comb and up into the main hair because I didn't need all that, but I needed just enough for the style I was going for. Okay, I decided to do a cute little swirly. I really don't be knowing when I'm gonna go in and do swirlies, y'all. It's just kind of, when I go to playing with the baby hair, and I be like, you know what, I'm gonna just, take one and swirl it instead of just combing it up, So that's what I decided to do. And working with synthetic hair and trying to get it to stay, it takes a lot. So that's why I have to melt it in place with my blow dryer on high, okay? So once I'm able to get it to stay and I style the baby hair and the swirly how I want it to look, that's when I go in with my blow dryer on the highest temperature, and I freeze it in place, of course. You already know. So I'm gonna stop yelling in y'all ear, I promise. So I did have to kind of comb those curls back because parting her which I didn't really have to part. I just had to style, and I kind of messed up the pretty curls. So I definitely want to go back, add a little agua, and put those curls back in its place. And there she is, real creative with the little swirly. And those curls, y'all, are just so pretty. They look like roller curls, and they're so flexi rod curls too. And girl, there she is. Isn't she cute? Isn't she lovely? Okay, I ain't about to do y'all like that. Okay, I had fun styling this wig. It took me like 12 minutes or less, only because I wanted to get creative. I loved it. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's JuicyNashae here, and I'm back with another cute wig. Y'all. Okay, so who's this wig, you ask? Girl, her name is Angelique, girl. It's real Angelic, Angelique. All right. Don't pay attention to the fact that my fingernail polish is peeling. Okay, I'm a little ghetto. All right. That's hard work. That's what it means. When you shit with go to peeling and you don't fix it, it's hard work. All right. So I know it's a little different from the style part because I got real festive and I went to planning and I had fun and I was all over the place. Okay, so who is she made by? Outre lace front. Okay, all right. This is their more affordable series of wigs. All right. Now, just because it's affordable, don't mean it isn't great quality. Okay, and I'm gonna get into that. Okay, so I have Miss Angelique in the color ginger brown, right? Ginger brown. Okay. If y'all hear anybody laughing, I got my ace boom coon, my bestie, but really my mom, most of all. So she back in effect. We, when we hook up, it's always a good time. Right?
I didn't know that was ginger brown.
All right. So yeah, it's ginger brown. It's the same color on the side card, boo. It's all good. Let's get into the details right here. Okay, now that we're back from Angelique's details, let's get into her 360 right here. Okay, now that we're back from Angelique's 360, let's get into her pros really quickly, okay? Before I'm gonna get in your face, let me tell you why I like her right quick, okay? So pro number 1, this color. This color puts me in the mind of is it Claudetta, girl?
Cordelia.
Good night. This this color puts me. This color puts me in the mind of Cordelia. Okay, she's made by Bobbi Boss. I'm gonna put a picture of her right here. Okay, this color is a ginger brown, and I swear this is like, I really was in love with that color on Cordelia. But this color is really, really cute, and it's equally as cute too, because to me it's kind of like the same 350 mixed with black. Okay, so it gives you like that kind of really pretty, like coppery, you know, mixed with a little bit of, you know, one and all the good stuff. Yeah. Number 2 for a pro is definitely, you get so much hair with this wig. Okay, now y'all probably mad because I didn't keep it all pretty and tightly curled like it came on the stock card, because I told you I was playing in it and I got a little carried away. Oh wow. So but like I said, it's plenty of hair. Like, it's so much hair. You know, it's in the side part, so you can't do anything but wear it the way that it is. But that's okay, because you could have slicked it and did all that other stuff. And I did that with a wig I did just recently, so I didn't want to do, you know, like it again and be a repeat offender and all that. So I just totally left it in its, you know, original state, and that's this cute side part. Okay, you cannot go wrong with the left side part. Okay, all right. It's plenty of hair. It's big head friendly. I didn't have to snip any of the adjustable straps away in order to, you know, put this wig on my 23-inch knot. Okay, so that is always great. Now, if I had to think of a third and final pro, because I'm probably gonna go on and on and on and on about how cute this wig is and how much fun I've been having wearing her for the past couple of days, but I ain't gonna do all that. Disregard the dogs barking in the background. Okay, I usually film these tutorials at night, but I'm being a normal person. All right, I am filming this during the daylight, so I'm getting more noise, okay, and more human activity. All right. So, for the third and final pro for this lovely wig, I would definitely have to say that the curl pattern and the texture of this hair is so pretty, so easy to work with. You know, the only thing, I did have to kind of trim it, but that just made this, you know, style even better and even prettier. Okay, I definitely have more than enough space to work with at the lace's edge. You know, that's why, you know, you have to whip it, you know, whip it. You know, when it came to styling this hair, you know, baby hair, and I'm gonna get in, you know, to that when I get in your face. All right. So for the close-up now, is there anything else? No, I lied, because I'm only doing 3 pros, so there's nothing else. There's many pros, but I'm not gonna get into all that. So let's get into aren't you excited? The close-up. All right, let me get in your face. Okay, all right. So now that I'm close up in your face and all that, and I know these lashes are a bit gaudy, but let's admire this makeup though. Okay, it's cool. All right. I ain't in your face for all that. All right, what I'm in your face for is to show you how I styled my baby hair. Okay, now I'm not even gonna go into why it's a little curl. You already know, cause your girl gets wear and tear out her wigs. Okay, so but this is how I cut it. I only cut it just a little bit of it, just because it was hanging down on my lash and it was making my lash do that, and that's not cute. So I did really cute festive baby hair, you know, right here. I didn't glue it past here, as you can see that lace flapping in the wind, but don't pay attention to that, because you wouldn't even see that if I had my head down. I'm just showing you because I'm in your face. All right. Over here, you know, I kind of got real lazy with it and kind of hooked it up some type of way, but don't pay attention to that, because you wouldn't even know if I wasn't in your face, right? So yeah, so I did that. I got a little ghetto bobby pin, skint up bobby pin over there in the cut, holding it back, you know, so when I want to show my earrings off and get real cute, like, I'm sucking it behind my ear, that's what that's for, okay? And so now I got this cute little bang with the lift that I put in there when I, you know, froze it in place, okay? All right. And as you can see, this hair right here is all over the place, and that's why I had to cut her. All right, I think that's enough of being all in your face. Close up, over, okay? Let me get out your face. Okay, ladies, now that we're back and I'm out your face, everything all good, right? All right, let's get into these cons, if any. Con number one would definitely have to be, she does tangle, y'all, okay? She does tangle like any other curly synthetic wig. She does, you know, shed. I definitely had to cut a couple of knots from her. From the very end. And it could be, you know, because, you know, like I said, I've had this wig on for probably about 2.5 days now, and I get a little lazy all at night, I ain't gonna lie, and I'll be pinning her up, and sometimes I won't put a bonnet on. Okay, all right, so it could be my fault for that, but you're gonna get that anyway, whether you wear it outside all day, when, you know, running errands and wherever you go with your wig on, or you tie it up at night, whatever, you're gonna get that. So she does tangle and she does shed. Con number two, I say con number two is the fact that there's only one part, so you only can wear one way. And the reason why I say it's a con is because this wig was kind of wiggy around the part area. I noticed that I definitely had to really lay heavy on the, you know, part, the top of the wig with the part where the part is. I had to kind of lay heavy with my blow dryer in order to kind of like blow dry some of that wig look out, that box look out, you know. It was really wiggy at the top, but I think I was able to combat that a lot with just simply lightly and not leaving my blow dryer on the hair for too long, but lightly tapping the hair a little bit and putting some heat to it, and it flattened it so much. But y'all, when you take out the box, he does give you a grade A helmet look, okay? You don't want that. So let's totally move on to what I rate this cute wig, Angelique. I give Angelique an 8. I know, right? Yay! That's a good thing. I give her an 8 because she's affordable. She is not a part of, you know, Outre Perfect hairline or melted hairline, but she is just as good, y'all. Like, if y'all are a little bit experienced and y'all kind of know what y'all's doing and y'all been watching the girl and her tutorials, you know, by now, if you followed from the beginning, you should be able to know what to do when you get a, you know, square built box shape, you know, lace front, right? You should know what to do, all right? Color, fire. This hairline, you know, fire. If you know what to do and you know how to lay it down and, you know, melt your baby hair in place like this, like so, okay? And it's curl, you know, it's so pretty. You can play in it and you can do what I did and just like get really like big and, you know, va-va-voom with it and all that. Or you can keep it the way that it comes, which is equally cute, okay? So yeah, it's the 8, y'all, for me. And with that, ladies, thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial and wig review for Miss Angelique. Got me feeling real Angelique. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Okay, girl, I'm about to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Bye.